Welcome to the Matrix Motion Capture in Sports. We live in a world obsessed with sports. We watch it, we breathe it, we can't get enough of it. But what if I told you there's a technology revolutionizing how we understand and improve athletic performance? It's like something out of the Matrix, capturing every single movement an athlete makes. Welcome to the world of motion capture in sports. Motion capture, or mocap for us techies, is no longer just for Hollywood blockbusters and video games. It's become an essential tool for coaches, athletes, and even medical professionals looking to gain a competitive edge. We're talking about analyzing every twist, turn, and jump, breaking down movement into its purest form. This isn't science fiction, folks. This is real-deal technology changing the game right now. And trust me, it's only going to get crazier from here. Capturing the movement. How does it actually work? So, how do we capture these superhuman feats of athleticism? Imagine this, an athlete covered in sensors like a grid of digital eyes watching their every move. These sensors track the athlete's movements in three-dimensional space, feeding that data into a computer. This creates a digital skeleton, a virtual representation of the athlete moving in real time. It's like looking at a digital X-ray of performance, but instead of bones, we're talking about biomechanics, angles, and forces. The data collected is insane. We're talking speed, acceleration, joint angles, everything. It's like having an athlete's blueprint, revealing the secrets behind their every move. Optical versus inertial, the two sides of the motion capture coin. Now let's talk shop. There are two main types of mocap: optical and inertial. Optical systems use cameras placed around the capture area. These cameras see the sensors and triangulate their position in space. It's like having a dozen referees watching from every angle, making sure nothing gets missed. Inertial systems, on the other hand, ditch the cameras. Instead, they rely on tiny sensors worn by the athlete. These sensors measure acceleration and rotation, like a miniature gyroscope strapped to their limbs. This method is more portable, perfect for capturing movement in the wild, but it's not as accurate as optical systems. Both systems have their pros and cons, but one thing's for sure, they both generate a treasure trove of data. Data that's ripe for analysis, optimization, and taking athletic performance to the next level. AI steps into the ring, analyzing movement like never before. Here's where things get really futuristic. Remember all that data we talked about? Well, analyzing it used to be a painstaking process. But now artificial intelligence is stepping into the ring. AI algorithms can crunch massive amounts of data in the blink of an eye. We're talking about identifying patterns, detecting subtle inefficiencies, and even predicting potential injuries before they happen. It's like having a supercomputer for a coach, constantly analyzing and optimizing every aspect of an athlete's movement. This is a game changer, folks. Imagine personalized training programs tailored to an athlete's unique strengths and weaknesses. Imagine identifying and correcting tiny flaws in technique that could mean the difference between winning and losing. The possibilities are endless. From the gridiron to the green motion capture in action. So, where are we seeing this technology in action? Everywhere, man. In football, coaches are using mocap to analyze throwing motions and optimize routes. In basketball, it's being used to improve jump shots and analyze landing mechanics to prevent injuries. Golfers are using it to refine their swings, and swimmers are using it to analyze their stroke efficiency. And it's not just about professional athletes. Physical therapists are using motion capture to assess and rehabilitate patients recovering from injuries. Surgeons are using it to plan complex procedures. This technology is revolutionizing how we move, heal, and perform both on and off the field. The future of motion. Capture a world of possibilities. The future of motion capture? Hold on to your hats, folks, because it's going to be wild. We're talking markerless motion capture, ditching those clunky sensors altogether. Imagine capturing movement using just cameras or even wearable devices like smartwatches. We're also going to see AI become even more sophisticated, providing real-time feedback and personalized recommendations. Imagine a world where every athlete, from weekend warriors to Olympic hopefuls, has access to this technology. This isn't just about winning championships, although that's a nice perk. It's about pushing the limits of human potential, understanding our bodies better, and moving with more efficiency and power than ever before. The Final Bell motion capture's knockout punch on sports. Motion capture is no longer the stuff of science fiction. It's here, it's real, and it's changing the game. We're talking about a technology that can analyze our every move, unlock our athletic potential, and even help us recover from injuries. This is a revolution in the making. So buckle up, because the world of sports is about to get a whole lot more interesting. And who knows, maybe one day, we'll all be moving like Olympic athletes thanks to the power of motion capture. Peace out.